Hey, Kurt Ratzlaff here, and welcome to Small Craft Cruising.
Hello.
And this is my buddy Wufky. He is a really cool guy, professional athlete, total awesome engineer, and fab guy, guru. He's gonna help me work on the boat a little bit today, and then like
we're gonna go through and we're gonna fix. We got your lights. We're gonna fix. We're gonna make a battery tribe. We're gonna fix your strap for the front of the boat. I'm gonna get all those wires tucked up where it's highway safe. And yeah, and then we're gonna go get it all hooked up to my van, make sure my van tows the boat all happily, and we're gonna go get it all sorted for tomorrow, where we can go play in the water.
oh, this might be a little too low. We're gonna try and pull this pin and have it fall onto the thing.
Onto the receiver.
Which is not OSHA safe.
All right, we got it set.
Okay.
Woo! I felt it in the van.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
There we go. All right. Do you know what I use this for?
Shooting other boats.
This is my bilge pump. Take it up, pump it out. It works really, really well. Ooh, that's skinny. Definitely need to get a different hitch set up here.
Are we gonna be able to close my boot lid with the van with it?
Yep.
Oh, just barely. Let's go. We're at Walmart now, and I'm gonna make him buy lights. We're gonna mount it to here, so it's up higher where you see it when you're driving behind me.
Yeah,
so this kit,
LED. It has to be submersible.
Oh, submersible. So these guys.
Yeah.
There you go.
So we're at the auto parts store, and my buddy Wufky is looking up what filter we need so we can put it in, and we're gonna grab some lubrication. We've got everything but the oil filter. I'm gonna head over to the marine store
And go ahead and get started on your lights. Oh, it's got a try me button.
Yeah, Wufky's gonna make my trailer lights a heck of a lot safer, and I'm gonna run off to the marine store to grab some parts for the boat.
And we're here in my shop, my magic workspace of adaptive equipment, and we're going to make a bracket so I can weld these onto those trailers. Got our brackets made for the lights.
So we made it to West Marine, and I went and spent like way too much money on stuff. So hopefully we have everything we need for at least our next boating adventure. All right, we're back at Wufky's. I got lots of stuff. So let's go see where he's at and what he's up to. We're replacing this here because they're like, look how faded that is against the not sunburnt one. And then the sunburning really ruins the thing, so yeah, clearly that needs to be replaced. And the new strap is installed and tight, so we're good to go. The Wufky's measuring the battery mount plate thing that he's designing, and I finally got some proper transom tie downs. One of the reasons that transom straps are better than just tie downs is these are specifically designed to, you find your mounting points 1 and 2, then you adjust it, then you just have one little strap that you just tighten, and then you clip down, and then it's good. So this is our third trip to the store. This time we're getting some angle iron so we can build a battery holder. All right, this is trip number 4 to the store to get parts that we did not have and need.
And then we've got an assortment of bolts and nuts and washers and whatever.
These clip together somehow. Well, Wufky got the tail lights. I have this installed. Yay, I did stuff.
Next day, we're here doing the last thing that I knew we forgot something last night, and Kit has got this GPS for his boat. So while he's looking up how to do the oil change in the boat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount up his sensors and get the GPS mounted up and drilled in and wired up to everything.
The Wufky's downstairs right now installing the GPS fish finder depth meter multimeter thingamajig, and I am upstairs on YouTube trying to learn how to perform an oil change on my outboard motor. Thank you to Paul Dixon for making a very informative video on that. It's really going to help me out in about 5 minutes when I go try and do this myself.
So Kurt was wanting this on the dash right here. The intrusive thoughts are real. I almost clicked it into the boat. That would have hurt. I'm actually going to run this through this thing. Because I was going to say, you put this Allen key in your toolkit, so if you need to adjust. It wouldn't be a Kurt and Wufky adventure without stopping at the servo.
Yeah, right? So, Nevada Department of Wildlife. And let's go in.
Right, so yeah, in the boat, getting this wiring done.
All right. Pretty small office, but here we are.
Little discrepancy with this rego.
I held my breath a lot on that
I
one.
was holding my breath so much for that.
That lady could have given me a nightmare of paperwork.
So we're gonna go pick up my friend whose birthday it is that we're gonna take out on the water.
Now I'm gonna go to the ranger station because I know we have to get permits and such. I don't know exactly what we need, so we're gonna go find out the information. We are in the official ranger station. The person that helped me out was super nice, and basically I was given a pamphlet like on the rules and things like that, and they described like, you know, what the lake's like and such. We can do this all online, and I'll describe that more later, but for now we're gonna go get the boat ready. We are back on the road. We are going we're going to Pelican Point, which is 3 miles north of the ranger station, and Pelican Point has the launch ramps. So if you did this all online, you do not need to go to the ranger station, and you can go straight to the launch ramp, assuming you have all your paperwork in order.
There's the point of the boat.
Time to take off the sticker. All right.
It's working! It's working!
Basically, we're showing 2 feet right now, and I'm just gonna see how much we actually have. From the sensor to the bottom of the lake is here, which is, I'm gonna estimate
That's about 2 feet, yeah.
So we're pretty spot on. All right, so what we thought was rocks was actually mud. And the reason we're not getting out right now is because it's the kind of mud where you step in and it's gonna suck you there, and you're not coming back from that easily. So we're gonna just avoid this entire area.
Our boat's not buoyant enough to pull yourself out on that mud.
No. Like. After painstakingly looking at this semi-detailed but not super detailed map, we are at, as far as we can tell, Monument Rock. Yay! So basically this is as far north as we're allowed to go, and we figured, hey, why not? So we're here, we made it, the boat did fantastically.
Been my first time driving a boat in 15 years or so.
This could not have been smoother water. All day we've been on the lake for what, 2 hours, and just no wind, just flat. Yeah. This is a beautiful skiing lake. This is a beautiful boating lake.
Beautiful Native American nature preserve as well. So I very much recommend coming up here and paying the $30 or $40 or whatever it is to come up here and enjoy their preserve.
So the beaches are really easy to get to, especially by boat. If you're trying to get there by wheelchair, you're gonna have some troubles. Would recommend this lake.
Can't lie, this trailer is pretty gnarly, man. Like, this is after picking a bunch of it off, but boy, there's a lot of green on this launch ramp over here. Oh well.